Okay, so this week we're going to look at distributions. All you'll have to do is really go through this lesson and take a look at the output. So remember, the idea of the seed random is that if you use the same number as I do, you'll get the same result. So it generates random off of this beginning. So it's not really truly random in the sense that you can do it over again. It's very useful for comparing results. Okay, so you're going to do that. And then we want to just learn how to do this clearing. So you have a variable named die, okay, and we've stored in it 10,000 rows, but we can clear it. So now we can start over. Okay, so that's a command that we want to learn is that clear. Okay, so we say keep the same random. Now what we're going to do is we say we want to make sure that we try and do a random distribution of these. Okay? And so actually you really even need to know what all that means. And so we've got these 10,000 rolls of 1 to 6. And what we can do is we can take our variable die and we can say we want to count. We're going to do a count of them. And we're going to sort by the first column. So the tally is going to do 1's how many, 2's how many, 3's how many, and then we do sort by. Okay. So if we don't do that, so you're kind of curious, well, what happens if we don't do that? That's sort by. What if we just say tally, what is our output? Okay, so you see how I put it by random. So now we say, okay, well, we want to do sort by, right? So we do sort by. Maybe it was sort by with a capital B. Yeah, okay, so that became by. And we want to do first, or maybe we have to do FIRST. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if that gives us what we want. Yeah, so now we got them sorted. So there's our tallies sorted. Now, what are we doing? We're doing another way to do it is to say, okay, in that, can you count how much of each one there is? And we can say, yeah, we can do the counts and do that. So what we do now is we want to do a counts based on our die counts. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to say, so now what we're doing is we're making a single set, okay, based on the second field, so based on these counts. So we've got that. And then what does this other variable do? It says, okay, well, what are the 6 things we have? So we're getting ready to make a bar chart. So in other words, now we've got the counts and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put those together and make a bar chart. And here it is. Counts and chart labels are the face value. So we want to do the counts, how much it was to each. And you see that it isn't the world of math, right? This is a simulation where you get slightly off. It should be exactly the same if you, based on probability and you have fair dice. And that's all we're going to do for this week. And so for next week, we'll have something more using these.